Another good use case here that I'd like to highlight for a few reasons is the UK Met Office. So the UK Met Office is like the National Weather Service for the United Kingdom. And they run big simulations, like what we saw with the oceans. They also have lots of observations from satellites, from weather stations around the world. The Met Office is actually sort of part of the UK military. Its weather prediction is critical. Weather prediction has actually saved lives and billions of dollars every year. The UK Met Office is interesting because they have around 500 analysts that analyze this data every day. They have lots of in-house expertise with Iris, but they wanted to now get the flexibility and the scalability that Dask allows. So working with the open source community, employees at the Met Office replaced the Iris internals with Dask and with the Dask NumPy connection. And that gave them the ability to scale out, but without expensive rewriting or retraining. We didn't have to tell everyone how to use Dask. They got to keep using Iris because Dask is now running underneath and inside of Iris. Also, the Met Office is transitioning heavily into the cloud. They're actually one of the largest AWS users in the cloud in the UK. And now they're sort of thinking about going to Azure in order to remain cloud agnostic. They want to be able to switch back and forth. And so Dask was useful early on to help them accelerate all their workloads on workstations, but has also been critical in helping them transition from their HPC environment to a more hybrid architecture to a multi-cloud architecture. And Dask is really helpful in that process because it can work anywhere. So the Met Office is really an example of the full arc of Dask adoption that we see in more vertically oriented communities like the geosciences.